Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at how to make tables in Microsoft Word. So a table is something normally we use for eating on in our kitchens, our dining rooms. But in Word, a table is this. It's a way of organizing information. So for example, we have rows. A row is this, it goes across. That's a row. And we have a column which goes down. So we can put different things in the rows and different things in the column. So for example, in this column here, we have cities in Ireland. You can see city. And in this column, we have the population of the city. Population means how many people live in each city. So for example, here we can see Dublin, 544,000, etc. And here we have the province that each city is in. So a province, just to explain this, a province is, in Ireland there are 4 provinces: Ulster, Connacht, Munster, Leinster. Ulster in the north, Connacht in the west, Munster in the south, Leinster in the east. So that's what provinces are. They're different parts of Ireland, different parts of the country. So you can see here that Belfast, for example, is in Ulster. You can see that there. Galway here is in Connacht. So a table is a way of making this clear. It's a way of making it easy to understand. It's easy to see this. If we want to know what Cork's population, we look at Cork and we go across 124,000. There is the information, there's the answer. So let's look at how we do this in Word. How do we do it? Oh, there's the provinces again. Okay. So to make a table, we just go to Insert. Insert. Left click on Insert. And then you can see Table. So left click on Table. Now you can decide what kind of table you want. We can start with a simple one. If you just go like this, we get a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. So let's click that, and there we have it. There's our table. Now we can make it bigger if we want. We can click in here, and click, click, click. That's down. This is the return button we hit on the keyboard. And again, if we want to make it bigger, click in and return. And there we have our table. And we can put in here anything we want. So again, these are rows going across. These are columns going down. So let's see how what else we can do. So it's also, tables are good also for if you have text and you have a photo. You want to put them side by side. So what we can also do is we can make one side bigger than the other. So we go here, we left click on here, just when we have it here, left click, and pull it this way. And that gets bigger, one side gets bigger, one side gets smaller, or we can go back. So what we can also do with a table is we have the lines here. This is a line. There's the line, line, and a line. We can change the lines. So if we click on the table here, and then we go to Table Design. So left click on Table Design. And we go to Borders. So the lines are called borders. So what we can do is we can take away the borders. So click on No Border. And when we go back and look, there's no lines. We still have the table, but we can't see it. So the table has disappeared. It's gone. We can go back to Table Design and go to Borders and We go to table design, we go to borders, and we go to all borders, and we see the borders again. We see the lines. So we can take them away or we can put them in. So we can make big tables and small tables. So let's just look at different size of tables. So again, we go to insert, table, and we can make a table like this, say. So if we have a lot of different pieces of information here, we could put it in, we can put things in here. For example, Dublin, and then the population, if we want, it's the same thing. And we can put in Leinster again. And we could put in, it's in the east of the country. It's not in the north or the south, it's in the east. And we can continue to add more information here. So we can also change the colors of the borders, the color and the size of the table, of the lines in the table. So here we have, now the table is orange. So we can change the color. Now let's see how we do that. So to change the lines, the color of the lines, we click on the table up here. Click. So just in the left click up here. And then we go to table design. Table design right here. Click, left click again. And we can go to border styles. Border styles here. Click. And we can choose what color we want. So let's choose this one. So you have a pen. You can see the little pen here. When we click, pen. So if we click on the line, it changes. And we can change it to orange. Now sometimes we have to do it again. Table design, border styles, just click on again. And we get the pen here. So left click, and we can change the color. Left click again. It has to be right on the line, change the color. So we can also make it bigger. We can make the size bigger. So if we can go here to the 1.5 point. We click, and we want to make it thicker, make it bigger. So we click on this. Again, we get the pen. And we click on this, and it makes it bigger. So this is all in table design. We have to first click here on the left in the corner and go to left click on table design, and we can do this in border styles and in color and in the size of the line. So this is our video for today. We'll have more videos on tables. Thanks for watching.